Hello, friends. So, today we will learn one more thing about 2025. We will post IS on our 2025 server. So, in the last video, if you remember, or you can go back to my previous video and see, we installed one domain controller, and when we installed one machine, which we joined to 2025 domain controller. So, now we will install IS on our client machine, where we are running 2025 OS. So, we have two machines in my lab. I will log into this machine with my domain account, and we will follow the very easy procedure how we install IIS on the web on the server. It's the same procedure as we do in the old OS 2020, uh, 2022, 2016 or 19. There is no difference. So, but let's see how it works, how it goes in 2025. We go to the manage and we add one role. Yeah, we have to wait. Which is still analyzing stuff. So now we are ready. And we need to find IS. Yeah, make it this. Next. It depends what you need. I think for in our scenario, these features will work. If you need to add some more features, you can definitely take select them. And click it stop. Meanwhile, I can go back to my domain controller and set up an DNS record for my IS website. If you remember in the last video, we installed DNS and Active Directory role in on our domain controller. So it's same server, and we will search for DNS. And we will put one record for our website. We will name it like yeah, host name record. I will call it yeah, my web. And the IP address I can use pointing to my server called my client server, which is 191. So I have something called myweb dot 2025 lab.local pointing to my client server where I have IIS running. So I'll go back to my machine and I will say IIS installed, I guess. We can check it by going to the localhost. Yeah, this edge. You can check what is happening on my web machine. Yeah, we close down. We will check in the IS what is happening. Sorry. So we have one default website which is running, and let's see what is happening. We browse it. Yeah, it is running. So it took little time, but let's check the properties for IS. This is our default websites, and we go to the edit binding. So we can see it is using port 80 and we are not using port. So if I want, I can just assign. If you have many IP address, you can definitely pick different IP addresses and define add to different IS sites. So here I can see this is or I can it's just one website running on one server which has one IP. I can have it left it like all as unassigned, or I can pick it this as well, no problem. I can I can check the website how it is running from outside. So I'm in a domain controller, and we have set up one DNS record for this. So let's open IS on our different machine. So we have successfully running IS on our server. This is very short video, and but yeah, I hope this is informative to you. But in next video we will do lot of security hardening for IS and how we can secure it with Netscaler, and we will do some little bit scanning on this, how we can find vulnerability if we don't secure it, how it can be hacked. So there are many videos coming, so stay tuned and keep watching our channel.